Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing good. So today also I just wanted to unbox something different other than like it is going to be I mean like a lot of cars, but it is not going to be something which you guys are expecting. So if you guys remember, I did this figurine video, so I thought I bought something else on the same shop at that specific day. So I thought I wanted to showcase it to you guys. If it might helpful to someone, it might be helpful to someone, or they can use it for different purposes. So I just thought of doing a video on it. So let's start. Okay, so here it is. So when I say a lot of cars, I literally meant it this time. So I bought this for 270 rupees. So you can see here miniature car model 10 pieces. Okay, it has 10 pieces inside, I guess. Fine. So this costed me 270 rupees. So if you guys remember, back in the days, even nowadays, I think you can still able to get those kind of uh, cars. So it used to have small body, and there's one small piece of chassis, plastic, plastic piece for chassis, and it has two wheels. You can remove those wheels along with the axle, and you can reattach it. So I'm thinking it would be similar to that. So let me unbox this. Sorry, unpack this. Oh my god. Okay. Was not expecting a hole under that, but let's see. Okay, this. Okay, this is. I thought the wheels are actually free rolling. You can see this here, guys. This is not even. This is fully plastic, and I would honestly say this is not worth 200 rupees. You can actually get a free rolling wheel car for 5 rupees or even 10 rupees. Now even nowadays I'm talking about, you can go any small shops, like it is in Tamil we call it petti kadai. So these are small shops, you can see in every corners of a street. So they still have those kind of cars for 5 rupees and 10 rupees. Those actually has free rolling wheels, but this one doesn't. I don't know, you can use this for monopoly, maybe play with it. But at least one thing I really like about it, it has a lot of variations. Let me see how many variations it has. That is a bit intriguing, to be honest. So these three have sunroof. This doesn't have. Okay, this one actually has sunroof. This one has sunroof. Okay, but let's talk about the detailing on this one, on the body of the car. Because even if I'm, just calling it cheap and it doesn't have any free rolling wheels. I mean, even a lot of tarmac models doesn't have a free rolling wheels. It is fixed. So there is that. Okay, this one actually has sunroof on top, and all these models here, they are actually except these three. Okay, so it has three different cars here. I don't know what cars these are, but it has three different models here. You can see they even painted headlights on this. Let's see if it has painted tail lights. Yeah, they did. At least for two of those, they did. And this one, they actually gave some kind of engraving here. I mean, it has. You can paint on top of it, and you can see all this details defined here. I mean, that they did it for all the cars, and even this one actually has a rear view mirror. Even this one has a rear view mirror. These are very small. It's a bit hard to see. This one is also having a rear view mirror. So these are practically the same cars here. So I don't want to show that again. So let's put this aside and let's see this one now. Okay, these two are same. These two are same, and this one is different. So let's take one from. Let's take the green one, and in this one let's take the red one. Okay. So here it is. Even this one you can see they painted the headlights. This one they didn't do because again it's fully in silver color. It has rear view mirrors, and so these are actually a proper. I mean, like separate piece there. At least they did that. Even the from the bottom you can see that there's a separate piece. I don't know how they molded that, but they did something there, and it was okay. There is a separate piece here. I don't know if I can remove that, like pluck it out. Let's try that in a minute. But it does have good detailing for this price, honestly. Just for keeping it static in a diorama, or just to give it to kids, this is going to be really good. Okay, let me take this, no, this one. Let's see if we can remove this. I think this already came off, so this is really easy to do. Okay, these are really hard plastic. I mean, you can see these are two separate pieces. Fine. Okay, this one actually broke inside. That's the reason it actually, it came off easily. Fine, let's just put this back. It's not going in. Looks like something is broken. Yeah, that's it. It went in. So that's it, guys. So this is this is what I wanted to showcase you guys today. Again, I was curious when I saw this on the peg hanging there. They had a lot of these cars. I thought it is going to roll. That's the only thing I really wanted, but didn't roll. Fine, I would just give this to any nearby neighbor kids or someone so that they can play with it at least. Okay, so thanks for watching this video, guys. Have a great day. Goodbye.